Welcome to part 30 of Back to Basics Canning, where we're showing you how to check your canning lid seals after canning. If you take a look at one of our cantries, you'll notice that none of our jars have rings on them, and that's an intentional move. You should always store your jars without the rings so you don't create a false seal. Rings on canning jars should only be used during the canning process to hold the lids on until the glue sets. Afterwards, you can set them aside until the next round of canning. Now take a look at these two jars of applesauce, canned on the same day in fall of 2024. Can you see any differences? When canning food, you should always inspect it prior to eating. Start with a visual check. Does the food look okay inside? Does it look any different than the other jars of the same product on your shelf? If it passes the visual check, then check the lid. Pick the entire jar up by the lid. The seal should be strong enough to pick up the jar. This jar of applesauce on the left had a seal that failed. Upon further inspection, it appears as though that siphoning was the culprit. Unfortunately, this entire jar of applesauce is inedible, but the jar and lid inspection will help to keep us safe. Happy canning!